The old fashioned is orange slice, cherry, sugar cube, Angostura Bitters, muddle it, throw it out, add the, no, it's bourbon, it's sugar cube, Angostura Bitters, bourbon, no, it's right, it's, the old fashioned, is it with an orange slice and a cherry? Or is it without the orange slice and a cherry? When I first learned to make an old fashioned, I used the orange slice and the cherry method. We don't really know where this came from, but we can assume that it was used to try and dull some of the harshness from the alcohol. I'm going to show you how to make a non-alcoholic and the alcoholic old fashioned. Stick around to find out how it tastes. Boom, here we are, alcoholic and non-alcoholic old-fashioned, and yet again my glamorous assistant will be telling us which one is best. Please welcome Trish.
Hello.
Hello. You made a good point to say neither of them had a maraschino or a luxardo cherry. Should we whack them on there?
Boom.
Boom! Okay,
Let's
go
start
for it.
with this one.
I was told not to tell her which one is which.
Don't say that. It's really good. All right.
Let me try this. Which one do you prefer?
Well, they are quite good, but I really like the non-alcoholic because you can taste the old-fashioned non-alcoholic. It's really nice.
It's kind of like, well, you can taste the chocolate.
Yes.
Chocolate bitters. Has like a, like pepper.
There's some spice in there.
You kind of get that little bit of a kick that you get from old fashioned, right?
Exactly.
Strong vanilla notes. Rich. Delish.
This one is good too.
And this one is good too. What do you think with the double zest?
A bit confusing, but work nice.
Feel that citrus
Yes.
in your face, right?
Much more. 12.
12 out of 10.
15, because there is alcohol in it.
There we go. So the old-fashioned, alcoholic old-fashioned, non-alcoholic old-fashioned. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and
Hit the like button, please.
exactly. And if you did like this video, just check out this one. Can you see it there?
I can see.
Yeah. We did the Planters Punch last week. Alcoholic, non-alcoholic, with a bunch of flair moves in there. Check it out. Hope you enjoy it. And until next week, see you then. Take your favourite one. I'm taking this one. See ya. This was the third old-fashioned that I made before shooting. Was like a 20-second old-fashioned.